is a room tour of Harrahs Resort in Atlantic City. This is the Laguna Tower Premium One King Corner Non-Smoking. As you walk in, you do have a fancy light on the ceiling that shows you, which is pretty nice for a room here at Harrahs. I like it. It's pretty bright, so it's not dark when you come in here. Behind me, here's the door, which did come with a door handle thing. The occupied room sign. It has this little thing here. I just noticed that. It has a little latch here that you can, privacy latch. I did just notice this. It's like there's a dripping, I don't know what it is. It doesn't smell like anything. I don't know what it is, but. Okay, so that's the front door. Let me take you into the bathroom. But before that, I'll show you this beautiful mirror that you have as you come in and out of the bathroom. Okay, let's go into the bathroom. The door was not updated on this corner room. Let me see if I can zoom out. Hold on, I'm sorry. No, you can't. Okay. So let's walk into the bathroom. On your left, you have the shower, which I'll show you. I'll zoom out and show you. It has the sliding door. So it slides back and forth. I'll show you. So unlike Vegas, wow. Maybe that's not supposed to open that way. It's supposed to open this way. No, it's supposed to open this way. Uh-oh. This thing is broken, I think. I don't know. Okay, the only problem is that thing does not slide well. Not a good thing. That's a dangerous problem. What the hell? I don't know. This is that thing is not working. I'll come back and check it. It's not a good thing, but not my fault. You have a toilet in this little nook, almost like you have a door, but you don't have a door here. You have the backlit mirror here among the sink, and a double sink at that. You have a couple towels and that hair dryer at the bottom. You have this little soap bar. It's a skincare bar. And then you have those cleansing bars. And again, those double sinks, which are lovely. And a nice painting on the wall here. Okay, let me take you into the room. I'll come back and fix that door. That's not good. If it persists, I'll tell housekeeping. You have the bed here with a king-size bed. I'm assuming it's very nice. I have not stepped in it yet. It's got lights on the side, which I'll turn on, just to show you how bright this room gets. Okay. That's it. Oh, it's filming with a flash on. Hope that doesn't mess up the video. So turn on the light on here, so it's pretty nice. It's a king-size bed. You got your Bluetooth speaker here. And just like the other regular rooms, it's got, in the Laguna Tower, it's got your charging cables. So you can charge your lightning port, USB-C, and a bunch of that stuff. Then you've got your Harrahs phone, which is antibacterial, apparently. Over here, you have a mirror and your little chair, just like the regular rooms have. Okay, that turns on, very nice. One thing about this room, the problem with it is the TV doesn't face in front of the bed. But the solution to this is it swivels. This TV does move on an angle if you need it to, so you can watch it. Okay, let's open this drawer. And it has a Magic Chef mini fridge, which is on, good. And there's nothing in it. I like that. Because I've had times, not here, but I've gone to other hotels where people are smoking in the room. Cigarette ashes. Great. So, I'll give Harrahs a 6 out of 10 for cleaning. They missed some spots, but it's not where you need to get a new room. Are you kidding? These drawers, everything is terrible. What is this on the floor? It's a dog. It's a cat treat. Look, a cat treat. Harrahs, step up your game here. Disgusting. Cat treat. or dog treat, I should say. There's a light that's on. That's probably what that's for. That switch is for the light. So that's what that's for. That little switch that I didn't know. Okay, those are the two lights. You have a chase. It is big enough that you could probably put a third person to sleep on it with a little blanket if you had to. But being it's COVID, they might not allow that. Also, you do not have the coffee maker. But you do have cups and ice buckets, but no coffee maker. Just something to keep in mind. Okay, and let me show you the view out of this room. This is a premium corner room, so you do have to book this separately with reservations. It's not a regular room. Okay, so here you have a little view of some of the regular Laguna Tower rooms. Over here, I guess that's some of the Atrium Tower suite rooms. I didn't want an Atrium Tower suite. I could have got that, but they're not very renovated like this one is. The best part about this is the city view that you're seeing. It's got a beautiful city view. And no, that's not the sun. That's my flash on the camera. So here you can see Caesars, the old Trump Plaza. You can see the Tropicana, which is now a part of Caesars. But you can't get a comp there during the summer this year, apparently. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think you can. But you can match your tier. I matched mine from Platinum, and I got gold over there. So I got to go over there later by bus and catch it. But then you got the Golden Nugget. They have the Buffalo Diamond that I want to play. And I also want to play 25 cent something. But let's not talk about that. This is about the room. It's got the parking garage. So all in all to this room, it's nice. It is a corner room. So it's 400 square feet versus the 384 square feet. So it's a little larger, and you might like that. And it's at the end of the hall, so it's a little more quiet, I guess. But the only concern I had, there was a piece of dog treat on the floor, and that needs to be addressed. That's not good. Now let's go into the closet. Did I show you the closet? So, quick show of the closet with your safe, your ironing board, and your little desk and chairs. I'll turn the light on. And this room does have a lot of USB ports, just like the other rooms. But only thing is they could have done cleaner. That's my opinion. And look at this. They really don't clean. They do not clean. Absolutely not. But room otherwise is good. But don't put that sticker on the door when you leave a beauty pen on the floor and you don't see it. That's my room tour at Harrahs in Atlantic City. This is the Laguna Tower corner. One king, non-smoking. If you have any questions, message me.